Yo guys, so we are at Niagara Falls. Today we're about to go breakfast. 4-9. One thing I've noticed about Canada is that the elevators don't work. And there's thousands of people in an elevator.
Yeah.
Yep.
That is true.
Well, in this hotel we're in, there's like thousands of people in the elevator just stacking on. I mean, Canada, please fix that.
We're on the 22nd, 23rd.
We're on the 23rd floor. And, guys, look at this view from here that we got. I mean, good thing there's a light on it, but it's gonna be a little bright. And look, that's Niagara Falls there.
So
And
cool.
then there's a casino, and then a bomb went off there. I'm just joking there,
But that's New York, Niagara Falls.
And we're in two countries now. That's Canada, and that's America.
Even though we're in Canada, when we're outside, we can use our data.
Yeah.
Because we're so close to America.
No, we can't. We can't use the data on our phones, but
When we're outside.
when we're on the American side, though. And then we got TGI Fridays here in our hotel, and yeah, that's it.
And the keg.
And the keg steakhouse. Niagara Falls for a minute. Bye. Closer to Irma than not ever. The hurricane is so bad. Dylan, how do you think of Hurricane Irma?
Not that bad.
I am barely even moving. Oh my God. It's really bad. The wind. Look at that boat. Look at that poor boat. Oh, no! Hurricane Irma's blowing me away!
Wait.
I can barely hear. Can you hear me? This is Hurricane Irma. This is Hurricane Irma.
Awesome.
Bye! Wanna go for a swim in this?
No.
See, beautiful water slides, perfect water park, and then you got Canada's part of the water park and America's part of the water park. It's a beautiful water park. It looks like Hurricane Irma. Right, Dylan?
It's crazy how much water that is, though.
Look.
Oh, it scared me to be in that tunnel. Like, right above you, it's that.
I mean, we were just there. Just there. Doesn't it look like a perfect water slide? So like, ah! Yeah, you bang your head on a rock, and that's the end of your life.
Alright, let's go down.
Yeah, Dylan. See, it's a perfect attraction. We just went to whatever it's called, Niagara Falls, and we're now going to TGI Fridays for lunch. It's currently 2 o'clock in the afternoon in Canadian time or Eastern time. It feels like 3, but because we woke up early today, and I can't. So tomorrow we're staying in a hotel, and we're seeing a Blue Jays game tomorrow.
Oh my God, Sam.
And
I get it that you want to take a nap,
staying.
but I don't.
Well, if the kids are really done with the
Okay.
nap such.
And we're staying in a hotel. Like, can you guess what kind of hotel it is? It's a very special one. So, comment down below which hotel you think it is.
Dad, do you
We're
think
going in a SpongeBob ride. Where do you want to? 40 motion theater.
40 theater?
40 theater.
This feels like the Wisconsin Gals.
40. Yeah. See, we are in a 40 ride.
Fix?
Hey, what if we use this old net?
You do know that net was tied to your leg, right?
Wait, what? It's bikini bottom!
So high up.
We're on top of a building riding a ride. Now stop it, Dad.
You know, like, that's the whole point of the ride, Bella.
We have the only
A
people.
crowd of people just walking onto it.
Oh yeah.
Because the monorail?
Yeah, because the monorail was broken or whatever at the time, and the animation was like, this is gonna suck.
Well, that's the video for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. There will be another video tomorrow that I believe should be launched. Because tomorrow is going to be a big day. It's the day before my birthday. So we're saying my birthday. And,
We showed them the maple syrups.
no,
I'll go get them.
no,
Yes.
no.
Yes.
On this video earlier and we're staying inside a baseball stadium tomorrow. Overnight.
maple syrups.
And
There's a hockey one.
and we are going to watch a Blues Jays game. We're gonna leave here at 10. It's only like an hour 30 minutes to get back, so we're gonna get to the game before
Hockey
batting
player
practice.
maple syrup.
So yeah, don't forget to like, comment,
No.